Namang nangkinsa dito ang blue number 8 now from the parking lot, David. 47-2. Shot that down for 15 seconds. Basket for 2. Okay, 47 to 94. Pakababa sa 13. Kadawang dito ng blue shirts. Number 14 Asuncion. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 3. Agotong dito ng block. Tapos si Manino. Pass to number 8. Alubog kay Manino. Agad. Sayang yung pasa doon. Asuncion naman. Number 12, Miranda. Basket for 2. Number 12, 49-34. Pag-iksak din si Alamang dito ng blue. Number 22 now, 15 on the shot clock. Pasa naman, doon kay number 6, David. Magawa na mula. Isa na 24. Pakabalik dito sa block. Maninaw to number 8. Shot, number 8, David. Here comes Asuncion to Miranda. Pasa naman, David. 8 minutes and 10 dito sa ating third quarter. 49-34. Number 8. Nakita dito si Manino. Number 26, David. Isa at 14. Our 8 naman. Pasa kay number 6. Basket. Number 6. 49-36. Paulit dito sa 13 ang kalaban ng blue. Here comes Miranda, number 4. Number 3 from downtown, David. Reset at 14 seconds. Miranda, kunti na maagaw, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Basket, 54-36. Shot clock, number 15. Manino, pasa naman kay number 6, balik dito kay Spencer, David. Reset at 14, number 8, Bouncing. Reset at 24, pagkakataon na naman dito sa Closures. Nandun na sa baba, itong si Miranda, balik kay number 3, balik kay Miranda, basket. 53-36. Is Chelly na labang dito ng good. CSA naman, papahanda. David. 15 seconds on the shoulder. Sese. Basket down. Foul on jersey number. Gold. Happy 8-53. Triple play. Basket. Miranda, number 12. Basket for 2. Balik dito sa 16 at naman ang blue, 55-39. Number 22 now to number 8. Basket. Number 8. 55-41. 14 ang lamang. Hindi ng blue. Miranda, pasa naman kay number 21 na agawin dito ng long time remaining 6 minutes and 5. Here comes number 8. Pasa dito kay Manino. Lapit naman, Manino. Offensive rebound dito ni number 22. Sabay tiro, David. 55-41, Asuncion. 8-4-2. Paras number 8. 3 points in and out. Rebound ng team ng blue. Bigay naman yan dito number 8. Sabre? Number 3 points. 57 to 41. Number 8 now. Papalit dito kay number 6. Okay, shot basket. 57-43. Here's number 3, Salvador. Papalit kay Yasser John Lanches of 3. 1 minute and 42 to play. 2v1. Almost 8 shot. Time out tayo. Okay, time out. 57-45. To play. Okay naman, pass natin ang number 8 from the down. Again, release at that 14, number 77. Again, palipangin ang bola dito sa blue number 1. Again, release at again at 14, number 77. Basket 14. 59-45. 4 minutes and 5. 14 naman, CSM follow-away shot again. Number 8 from downtown. Again. Kasama ng block. Sese naman. 59-47.
Yung kalaban, 47 sila.
3-15. One seconds on the shot clock. Manila, number 26, Manila, good. 3 minutes remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Lakas ng ano pa sa? Two minutes and 47 to play. Number 8 now. Shot clock 15 seconds. Okay, napitawan yung bola. Ayaw na possession. Balik naman dito sa block. Pasa naman kay number 15. 14. 59-49. Sampung na lang ang labang. Wait na blue. Number 77 block. Shot again. Best Bolivia block and number 6. It was in. 61-49. 5 remaining 2 minutes and 8 seconds. Sese ang mayawak ng bola. Pass kay number 6. Number 8 naman. Open 12 seconds on the shot. Balik kay Malinaw. Number 8. Lunges sa 3. Reset at 14 seconds.
Tutungo.
61-49. Ang minute and 42 seconds of play. Kita naman yung pasa doon. Number 26, Mawai. Number 26. 61-51. 1-24. Ison. Number 6, shot. Bounce. Lucky bounce. 63-51. Time remaining 1 minute and 8 seconds. Number 8 now, pasa naman dito kay Manina, 14 seconds on the shot niya. Manina, iwan mo yan. Yeah, seconds on the 8 now, Aison. 57 seconds lang doon ni Aison again. 17 seconds on the shot clock. Long naman again. Higla 48 seconds. Number 6, shot clock. 43 seconds. Sabrap. Skip pass na po. 40 seconds. Shot clock 19. Aison through bang! Aison! 66 to 51. Game clock down to 27 seconds. Shot clock at 17 seconds. Good ball two. Shot time na lang yan. Six to 53. Game clock 15 seconds. Throw in number 7 is open. Dito na okay, number 6. Game clock 10 seconds with for the buzzer. Game clock down to 5. Pass by number 6. Basket 3 seconds. At the 1.
Rob.
And on our third quarter, 66 to 55.
Next quarter. Ano mo?
Rep 4 quarter.
Ikaw last quarter. Yan na nga, ikaw yun na
Rep
yan.
4 quarter.
Yan na nga yan. Eh, ito kaya Rob.
Last 10 minutes to play. 55-66. Number 2. Inside pass dito kay number 21. Again. Number 21 pa rin. Again. Before the point si Boy. Make a play. Agad na nakaw lang yan. Dito na block. And number 8 now. Number 8. Basketball team. Papaas at 9 ang lamang. Dito ng blue. 66-57. Shot clock down to 15 seconds. Asunción number 14. Asunción to number 77. Lockett. Basketball 2. 68-57. Seconds on the shot clock. Number 8, 3 points. Again, rebound and beat up. Ang wala ng blue. 1 minute gone by 9 minutes remaining. Nakabelt 3 na 1. Real number 23. Free shot number 3 again. Pangalawa naman, dito nila mo, please speed shot, basket. 69 to 57, 8 minutes and 49 to play. Here comes number 8 now, pass naman dito kay number 11. Mayumon again. Rebound yan dito na look, 8 minutes and 38 seconds. Asunción, number 14, inside pass, again. Powell, with number 22. Ali, magpetay ko ang may dagdagan ng buwan. Ate ka pa pumatlong tayo at ganyan ba? Ate ka pa pumatlong. Ay, magpentay mo kayo, wala niyo pumagawa niyo. Pag may free na yan, papadala tayo mo. Dali yan. Anak pa ginamit tayo ng class mo. Number 22 now. Basket, goal 2. Number 77. Good ball 2. Take mo lang ba? Number 11, Mayo maglagay. Magkapos siya kaya outside. Magkapos siya. Number 14. Number 14. Number 14. Now 7 minutes and 22 to play. Score added 72 to 59. Number 22, shot clock down to 15. Sese, pass on the one. Number 8, 3 points. Good. Done by 7 minutes exactly. Give us a final quarter. Number 2 the one, John. Number 2. 24, 59. Pag-ibig dito sa 15 ang labaw ng Blue. 6 minutes and 45 to play. Sense, number 22. Papantan, ilang pasok yan dito kay number 22. Sabay na po ito 16 point. 6 minutes and 28 to play. Asuncion, 14 seconds on the shot clock. David, shot clock at 10. 3 seconds.
Ano yan, minepeg party pa? Tara ng pag-party, no? Tigdag mo lang yung pala. Pagawa ka.
Here comes number 8. Manina. Balik dito kay 8. Number 8. Number 8. Okay, 7 for 63. Okay, 63 pa lang. Number 2 now. Number 2. Meron number 22. Seven for 63. Number 7 is over the basket. 76, 63. 63 pa lang. Number 22. Binigay sa likod ni Manina. Babay. Number 16. Basket. Number 16. Sige, sana pwede na. Ay, sabi sa'yo, start ka na lang. Sige, pwede na mag-start. Ngayon lang. Sabi ko, pwede siya rin ang ayos. Ready, 65. 13. Lamang. Number 14 now, Asuncion, 5 minutes exactly. Ayun yun naman sa 77. Easy basket. 80-65. Sese naman. Sese. Kick out. Palipino ka number 6. Basket. Ball 2. Din sa ating first quarter. Shot at count of 15. Now the inside basket number 16. 82-67. Balik na naman sa 15 ang Alamon. Into the blue. Time remaining 4 minutes and 11. Number 8, launches a three. Again. Reset at 14. Number 8 naman. Basketball 2. to 69.
82.
Ten ball po na. Atay ball po.
Kinakay lang.
Number 16, bigay dito kay number 2. Number 7 is Solon. Basket. Tapos yung din eh. Ay, ito na.
Bensin na. Bensin.
Foul na daw, parang mag-sabi. O, ito tayo bata. Time out, 2. Minutes. 25. Play.
Tambak sila.
Shot niya at 15. 3 points. Sige, pasa lang pala. Yun kay number 3. 86-69. Time remaining 3 minutes and 9. 17 na kalabangan dito ng blue. 15 seconds on the shot clock number 22 again. Nakapalik naman ang bola dito sa blue. 3 minutes and 17 sa ating final quarter. 86-69. Now the ball now, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Hindi na pang maagawan to discuss at 8 seconds on the shot clock. Behind the back pass. 8 seconds to shoot. Again, reset at 24. 2 minutes and 40. Yes, yeah. All time. Number 3 launches a three. Dito na mo para dito kay naman sa 24. Kaya naman pala. Good. Nakantila doon. Dito ako sa 17. 2 minutes and 52 play. Papalik naman ang bola dito sa blue. 2 minutes. Salvador nakita doon si number 1. Good ball 2. 88-69. Last 2 minutes. First game. Spending on the shot clock 1 and 52 to play. Basket. Eighty-eight to 1 and 45 to play. Number 17. Shot. Basketball 2. 9 piece. Better 1.
Tara na.
Number 22.
Alam mo.
Tara na.
Ay, pwede na kasi.
Pwede ko pa.
91, minute and 21 play. Ball kay number 1, dito kay number 1.